Divorce procedure for mutual divorce and contested divorce. In this video you will get complete information of what is the procedure to file for mutual divorce, documents and information required for mutual divorce, what is the procedure to file for contested divorce, documents required for contested divorce. So please watch complete video and get complete information. Thank you. Essentially, the divorce procedure in India begins when one of the parties to a divorce file a petition for divorce and the other party is served a notice for the same to appear in the court. In case things are not working out between a couple and it is becoming difficult for both of them to cope up with each other in a marriage, one can part ways legally by filing a mutual divorce petition under the Hindu Marriage Act, 1955. A mutual divorce petition can only be filed when both parties are willing to get divorced. However, one can file for divorce even when the other party is not willing to get a divorce by filing a petition for contested divorce. The procedures for filing for mutual or contested divorce have been discussed below. The provision for divorce by mutual consent has been given under Section 13B of the Hindu Marriage Act, 1955. In situations where both the spouses are willing to terminate the wedlock, they can go ahead with mutual consent divorce. However, under the mutual consent divorce, the only two things that have to be worked out between the spouses is custody of the children and maintenance. The husband and wife seeking divorce by mutual consent have to file a joint petition before the court for dissolution of marriage on the ground that they have been staying away from each other for more than a year or stating that they have not been able to stay together and have decided to dissolve the marriage with mutual consent. After the petition is filed, a date is fixed for scrutinizing the petition and for the appearance of the parties. The court then scrutinizes the petition along with the documents filed. Upon satisfaction on scrutinizing the petition, the court may record the statements of the parties. The court, after recording the statements, passes an order for the first motion. After passing the first motion, the parties are given a 6 months period, which is also known as the cooling off period, only after which the second motion can be filed by the parties. Within the 6 months period during the pendency of the petition, either party can withdraw the mutual divorce petition by filing an application for withdrawal of divorce by mutual consent. Unless the petition is withdrawn or the cooling off period has been waived, the second motion has to be filed within a period of 18 months from the filing of the petition. If the parties still want to go ahead with the proceedings after the 6 months period is over, they can proceed with the final hearing and can file for the passing of the second motion. If the second motion is not filed within 18 months of the filing of divorce petition, the court will not pass the decree for divorce. The parties can still withdraw their consent before the decree for divorce is passed. Before the decree for divorce is given by the court, all the issues related to alimony, custody, maintenance, property distribution, etc. Thus, once there is complete agreement between the parties and the court is satisfied that there is no possibility of reconciliation between the parties, it would pass the decree for divorce declaring the marriage to be dissolved. Documents and information required for mutual divorce in Delhi. Documents required to file a mutual divorce petition have been listed below. In situations where one of the parties to the marriage wants divorce, however, the other party is not willing to give his or her consent for the same, the party wanting divorce can file a petition for contested divorce. If either spouse has not been heard of as being alive for a period of 7 years or more by persons who would have otherwise heard of him/her as being alive, if either spouse has had sexual intercourse outside the marriage, if either spouse is subjecting the other to cruelty, if either spouse has deserted the other for a continuous period of not less than 2 years immediately preceding the filing of the petition in the court. In a contested divorce, the husband or wife seeking divorce has to file a contested divorce petition before the court. Once the petition is filed, a date is fixed for scrutinizing the petition and for hearing the opening arguments of the petitioner. If the court is satisfied that the petition is filed with all the requisite documents and the grounds mentioned therein are valid, it would admit the petition and will issue a notice to the defendant for appearance along with a copy of the divorce petition. The court may then direct the parties to resolve their issue through mediation, and in case the mediation is not successful, the court will continue with the divorce proceedings. The court will then continue with the matter and would frame issues and record evidence submitted by both the parties. After the evidence is recorded and cross-examined, both the parties will submit their final arguments before the court and would fix a date to pronounce the final decision. Then it will give its final verdict on the date fixed by it based on the arguments advanced by both the parties. In case either party is not happy with the judgment, it can file an appeal against the same within 3 months from the date of pronouncement of the judgment. Documents required to file a contested divorce petition have been listed below. Address proof of husband and wife, wedding photographs, certificate of marriage, evidence supporting the ground on which divorce is sought, professional and financial proofs, details of assets held by husband and wife. Thank you. Please like and share this video to help others. If you want to discuss with lawyers, then you can visit www.getlegaladvisor.com and find best lawyer for your case.